this video, I will compare Coinbase and eToro to help you decide which platform is best for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. I will break down their fees, features, security, and overall ease of use so you can choose the right one for you. And let's start off with the trading and features. So Coinbase is a beginner-friendly exchange with spot trading, staking, and a secure wallet. And on the other hand, eToro is a multi-asset platform that offers crypto trading, stocks, ETFs, and copy trading, making it ideal for diversified investors. And let's talk about one of the most important things in terms of exchanges, and that are the fees and the costs. Well, Coinbase charges higher fees, but it has advanced trading options on Coinbase Pro, and the amount of fees you pay on the regular Coinbase version is 1.49% or more for transactions. And eToro uses a spread-based model, meaning that you pay a percentage of the trade rather than fixed fees. And let's talk about security and regulation. Coinbase is one of the most trusted and secure crypto exchanges with FDIC insurance on USD balances, and eToro is regulated in multiple countries, offering additional investor protections, but crypto withdrawals are limited. And let's make a final verdict between Coinbase and eToro. And the best for crypto-only users and security, I would say Coinbase is the best one. And the best for diversified investors and social trading, eToro is the best one. So, summarized, if you only want to trade and store crypto, Coinbase is a solid choice. But if you are looking for a broader investment platform with copy trading, eToro might be better. So let me know in the comments which one you prefer, eToro or Coinbase. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.